Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use GMind AI to add topics and classes inside your Class Hub using the three frameworks, Roll, Gold, and Teach frameworks. Let's get started. Step 1. Enter your Class Hub. I click on my Class Hub and click on My Classes. For today's tutorial, I'll be using the JSS1 ICT Computer class. Now I click on Enter Class Console. Step 2. Select a topic. On the left-hand panel, you can see all the class topics I have already created. I'm going to use the topic Technology of Different Ages. I simply click the drop-down menu, then click Add Content. Step 3. Choose the type of content. The content options appear: Notes, Files and Videos, Audio Files, Quiz Assignment. For this tutorial, I'll choose Notes, then click Add Content. Step 4. Generate Notes, using the GMind AI framework. On the next page, you'll see Write Yourself Use GMind AI. I'm going to use GMind AI frameworks to prompt my note. I click on Use GMind AI framework, and I'll be starting with the Gold framework. Using the Gold framework, I select Gold framework and click Continue. Now I fill in the required fields. Expected outcome: teach students how to solve problems, teach students how to use technology tools. Type of content: 60-30 limit, less than. Who is the content for? JSS1 students. Once everything is filled in, I click Continue. GMind AI now generates my note using the Gold framework. Once the note is ready, I scroll down and click Add My Amazing Note to Content. Then I click Save. Step 5. Generate another note using the Teach framework. To generate another version using a different style, I click again on Add Content, Notes, Add Content, Use GMind AI framework. This time, I choose the Teach framework. I click Continue, then fill in the details. Title: The Computer Expected Outcome, Lesson Summary. Who is the content for? JSS1, Curriculum Alignment, Lesson Curriculum, Language, Simple English. Once done, I click Continue and wait for GMind AI to create the note. The note is ready, so I scroll down and click Add My Amazing Note to Content, then Save. Step 6. Generating a third note, using the Gold framework. Next, I want to generate another version using the Gold framework. So I click Notes, Add Content, Use GMind AI framework, Gold framework, Continue. Now I provide, who should GMind act as the teacher, e.g. a computer studies teacher. Level, 10 years level. Objective, teach technology of different ages. Learning activities, simple and clear. Student age, 10 to 11 years. Language, simple English. I click Continue and GMind AI generates the note. If I want to edit anything, I can simply scroll up, copy, paste, or adjust. When I'm satisfied, I scroll down and click Add My Amazing Note to Content, Save, Final View. Back inside the topic, Technology of Different Ages, you can now see all the notes I generated. 1. Gold Framework version. 2. Teach Framework version. 3. Gold Framework version. All neatly saved under the topic. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy teaching with GMind AI, powered by GoToCourse.